This could be the car for you. The 2020 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, stability control, rear spoiler. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.